How to create Wix e-commerce website. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to create Wix e-commerce website. So first, you just have to go to Wix and then get started. Create an account. You can create an account using your email, password, or you can create an account using your Google account, Facebook, and Apple account. For me, the easiest way is to connect my Google account because all you have to do is just simply tap this one and then your Google account will pop up and all you have to do is to connect again. So after signing up, you will see this question. They will ask you, who are you creating a website for? You have two choices, like for myself or for a client. Then I'm going to tap for myself, my business, or a friend because I'm going to create a Wix e-commerce for my business. And then after that, you can also create a or start up with their AI. This is a new feature, but you can also set up Wix without chat or without the help of this AI. So what type of website do you want to create? For example, online store. Then you will have your choices right here. But basically, I'm looking for shoes. Okay, so online shoe store. But I can't find it, so I'll just stick with online store and then click continue. So it's now preparing your dashboard. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Now you can enter the name of your store. For example, my store is Tried and Style. After that, click continue. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now they will ask if you have already an online store, so you can choose either of the option right here and then click continue. So what kind of products are you selling? Physical products, drop shipping. Okay, so they can also offer this digital. But for this tutorial, let's just stick with the physical products right here. So click continue. And then how are you offering products? Let me choose online store and then click continue. And now you are all set. You can now continue to dashboard. So this is your Wix dashboard. Here you can see everything like if you want to set up your payment method, if you want to integrate, if you want to add or automate something. You can also see here settings if you want to make some adjustment with your account. But we will not stick to that. We will go directly to design your website. So you can generate a design with AI, which is their new feature. But for this tutorial, let's just use one of their templates. So let me tap this pick a template here. So I'm going to look for something. Let's just say because I will be selling shoes. So I'm looking for a shoe store or anything that is related to shoes. And then you can see here sample templates that you can use for your online store, which is a shoe store. So you can browse here, you can view, or you can just simply tap this edit button to start editing your store. So let me tap edit and it will take me directly to one of their templates. And as you can see, if you want to edit your Wix store or Wix website, it will take a few hours to do that to have a perfect, outcome. So I'm just going to show you the easiest way, or at least an overview, on how to simply edit your Wix website. So basically, if you want to change the header, or if you want to change something here, edit something here, all you have to do is to tap that specific box or word, and you will see an option, or the option will pop up. For example, this one. I'm going to change the name of this template. I'm going to change this with my business name, which is Tried and Style. So basically, if I want to edit this font, I can tap this gear icon right here. As you can see, if I tap this one, you can see this option below. So all you have to do is to click that. If you want to change something here, like the font style, the font size, the color, and anything. So same goes with the word and fonts above. For site pages and menu, you can add a link. As you can see, if it's up each of the option, you can add something here like a link. Okay, so if you want to change the background, just tap the picture, then you will see the option change background. And for this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you Canva. Here, you can just simply edit everything. This is a free editing tool. So here I have uploaded my product, edit, and then download. Now I'm going to tap this change background right here, and then I'm going to upload from my computer. So basically, my picture should appear right here, and all I have to do is just simply change the background. So wait for a couple of seconds and here it is. So that's how you change your background. That's how you add an image here on your Wix website. So basically you can also add elements here. If you tap this one, you can add text, you can change the image, you can add these features right here. Okay, so you just have to click this plus icon to do that. For example, if you want to add your social media account, so feel free to add your social media account here. All you have to do is to click each of that icon and then paste or add your link, add your Facebook account, add your Instagram account. So when the customer visit your website store, and if they click this icon, it will take them directly to your Instagram account, Facebook account, Twitter, and so on. And like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to edit this, you just have to simply tap that element. Then you will see an option if you want to change the font size, or the layout, something like that, or add animation, anything that you want to change. Okay, so just click, then the edit option will just pop up. Okay, so let's go with this pages and menu. So here, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can just simply add something here. Now, this one is the site design. So if you want to change something with your site design, you just have to click this, like the font style, font size, anything. Moving on to Wix application market. Here you can see different types of templates. And if you want to search for a specific thing, you just have to go to Wix app market. If you're looking for something related to drop shipping, you can go to this Wix app market section. Okay, and then here is the business where we can see our e-commerce store. So if you want to add product to your Wix, all you have to do is to click this add product button. And then here you can just simply add product and add description to your product. So I have used this Wix website before. So I'm going to show you how to add product. You just have to click add product right here. Make sure that the images or your product is ready or videos are ready. You can now add product information right here. So for example, these are my products. So I'm going to add description. I'm going to add price. And then, yeah, this one is the product description. If I want to edit format, I just have to tap right here or add link or image and then set pricing. And if you want to add a more, just go to this area. And once you're done, all you have to do is to click save. Then this product will just show up right here. So basically, if someone visits your website store, then they will see these products and the description of the product. Now, using Wix for an e-commerce website is indeed very easy. Aside from the user-friendly interface, the e-commerce tools and features are indeed provided, and most of these are built-in tools. And if you want to fully set up your store, just go to the left side and feel free to edit, add, and make some changes to your store. So basically, that's it. And that's how easy it is to create Wix e-commerce website. And a lot of people choose Wix because of tons of reason why, like user-friendly interface, e-commerce tools and features, customizable storefronts. Yes, it will take a few hours, but it's worth it. Mobile optimization, and of course, the app integration and customer support. So this is what it looks like. I have added my shoe product right here. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create Wix e-commerce website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.